how to run ads on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can run ads on Pinterest. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So you come over here onto the website ads.pinterest.com. Just simply search for Pinterest ads and click the first site, and then you're going to arrive over here, and then they're going to ask you to select the location and determine the currency you will be billed in. So we're going to select United States and dollars. Click on next, wait for a couple of seconds, and over here they're going to give you an agreement, a small agreement. Just accept to continue. Now this is how your ads is going to look like over here. So as you can see, currently we have no ads running, so we can't create one. So what we can do is we can click on create an ad right here, as you can see, or we can click on create a campaign over here. That is going to be our main ad campaign. So let's go ahead and click on ad campaign over here, and we have to set up billing as well. All right, but you can select automated campaign. That's early access, but you gotta set up billing for that. But for me, I will choose manual campaign, and I recommend choosing manual campaign because it's much more better. Now over here, this is going to be your campaign details. Over here, you're going to choose an objective. All right, so it could be awareness or drive considerations or get conversions. It depends on you. So you could increase your brand awareness or video views or get more people to like your ad on Pinterest, or you can have conversions and catalog sales. So depending on what you want, you will select your objective. So for me, let's say we want video views. We'll select video views, scroll down, and then we have campaign name and status. Over here, we'll add the campaign name. All right, we'll get rid of this date. All right, and we'll just call it video views. And then we have the campaign booking reference or purchase order number. This is optional, but if you want, you can fill it out. It depends on you. Then we just simply click on continue, and then we have the ad group details. All right, ad groups allows you to apply the same targeting and bidding strategy to the single or multiple ads. So it's pretty simple. We're going to change the name to video views ad group, and down below we have the targeting details. So right now we select a strategy. All right, we could either reconnect with users, find new customers, or choose your own. It depends on you. If you select this one, of course, you can add an audience list to most effectively target people you've interacted with your brand, or click on create new audience list, and over here you can create them, right? Very simple. Then but if you want, you could go ahead and choose your own. All right, if you select this one, resetting targeting details will continue to erase your previous selection. Yes, reset. There you go. Now over here you can create new audience list, right? So you could create a new audience list by clicking over here, or use the existing list. It depends on you. Another thing I do have to mention is that in every ad campaign, whether you're on Twitter ads or YouTube ads or Google ads or any other ad, where you have to understand that the broader your reach is, the broader the audience size is, the less expensive your ad will be and the less effective, and of course it will not target specific people that you want. The more narrower your ad is going to be, the more expensive it's going to be. But since it will be more narrower, you will have a better chance of having better sales. So make sure you find a good balance, not too broad, not too narrow. If you want to keep it narrow, you can, but it's going to cost you. So make sure you find the sweet spot where you're having to pay not a lot of money, but also getting more traffic. Next, once you've selected that, next comes the demographic. All right, so interests in keywords and demographics. So if you click on interest and keyword, you can click over here to enable and expand targeting, or you can add keywords over here. Now interest over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. Depending upon the video that you have, you could select over here. So let's say we have a video that's related to men's fashion or home decor. We'll just simply select men's fashion. We're going to have a bunch of different options, so you could select all of them, and as you can see, our reach just became more narrower. Now I do understand that Pinterest is, I would say, more female dominated space, right? Not a lot of males or men use. So in my opinion, we should be more female oriented. Now if I select here, all right, as you can see, it didn't go all the way down narrow. All right, So as you can see, we have a more broader audience because there are a lot of females on Pinterest. So now we can go ahead and select all of these categories. So we would say that our is mostly women's outfits by occupations. I don't know what that is, but we're going to select all of them, or I don't know, because I am not sure. There are a lot of categories over here. Okay, there's even more categories within categories within categories. Okay, after selecting these few categories, we are now more narrower because we dropped down from 67 million to 11.2 million and between 12.4 million. So our reach has now been more narrower. So next, what you could do is you can find interest you want to target as well. You could go ahead and search for some boards over here. We'll go for women outfits, and we could maybe find something. There you go. And now we are in for demographics. So over here in demographics, you can pick your gender, you can specify your gender. So we are, since we are female oriented right now, so we'll just select females, and then we want all ages or pick specific ages. It depends on you. Let's pick 21 and plus. All right, there you go. Now locations. Now it could be all of US or a specific location if you want. So for example, if you want to go ahead and target Boston, you got to select Boston. And as I said before, the more narrow your search is going to be, the more expensive it's going to be. So let me show you. So if we click on select specific location, we select over here, we'll search for Boston within US metros, Boston, Manchester. There we go. We selected that, and as you can see, our reach dropped to 158K. And we could also select New York. We selected New York. There's also region New York. If you want to select that, you can. But yeah, I think this is okay. So as you can see, the more narrow you get, the more expensive it's going to be. So I think we're good from here. Next, we can specify language as well, or we can pick all languages, depends on you. And we can even specify devices as well. So next is placement and tracking. So you could add the placement right here. So it could be in browser mode or in search mode. When people search for specific things, your ad could pop up. It depends on you. You can add, group tracking by, pin clicks, or you can enter in the URL. It's optional. Next is budget and schedule. You can, budget it. You can schedule a ad, and you can select the specific budget for the ad group. It could be daily or lifetime. But if it's going to be daily, then I recommend going with as low number as possible, like $2, right? And then run ad continuously or on specific dates. You can select that as well. So over here, since we selected $2, you will spend no more than a total of 14 until this ad is paused or archived. So it depends on you. Next is optimization and delivery. You can enter in the bid over here, which is going to be the maximum CPV. So enter what you'd like to pay for your desired ad action. You should bid what action is worth to you. So since it's $2 with $1 over here, and the pacing could be standard, I recommend going with standard. You don't need to go with accelerated, it depends on you. Is the ad. You can add pins to promote. All right, choose pins from your boards to create a new one. You can create a pin or select a pin from your board. Click on create a pin. This is going to be the pin builder. This is how your ad is going to look like over here. You just simply drag and drop a video over here. You just find the video that you want and select it. I'll select this video right here. You could even select an image if you want, 50% off on new summer collection. And you can add a description as well, and you can add like an altered text, and you can then add a destination like your website, and then you just simply click on publish, and you can even select a board over here if you want. Protected board not listed on user profile. We'll go ahead and select that for now. Doing that, you just simply select add campaign and then simply click on create. There you go. We have now a board. Next, all you need to do is add the destination URL. Okay, so after you've added the destination link, you've added the title, the video, or the image, or whatever you want to promote, and you've selected the board. Now all that's left for you to do is just simply click on published. And after you've published, give it a couple of seconds and your pin will be published over here. As you can see, we have one error detected, but that's only because it's being published right now. Once it's published, the error will go away, and then you can just simply click on the publish button and fill out your billing details, and you should be good to go. Now, it is taking quite a bit because I have uploaded a video, but for you it might not. But once it's done, you just simply, the error will go away and your publish button will become red, meaning it's accessible now. And then you just need to click on the publish button and you should be good to go. After that, just fill out your billing details for the ad campaign and you are good to go. And that is how you run ads on Pinterest. And there we go. Speaking of which, as you can see right now, then you just, as I said before, just simply click on the publish button. And now you just simply fill out your business information, as you can see right here. After that, just simply enter in your payment settings and billing history, and you are good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.